Welcome to my channel. This is the second video in the mobile graphic design masterclass with Canva mobile app. Thank you for joining the course. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I am Shohi Ibrahim Muhammad, your instructor. So we're going to continue. In the last video we explore the mobile app. Today in this video we're going to explore the Canva Design Studio. So let's click on this plus button, and then I'm going to just pick. You can search for the size of document you want to search, but I'm not searching. I'm just going to pick a portrait square that is Instagram size. This size I've chosen. I just decided to choose it just because I just felt it comfortable and cool to work with, for example. So let's wait for the studio to load. So we're going to go through the tabs, the different part of this studio, which is going to guide you in doing your future design. Here we are in the Canva Design Studio. The Canva Design Studio have a variety of features and variety of tabs. So first, you can decide to import design by clicking on replace. When you click on replace, you can take off from template or anything you might have had prepared to use, or you can decide to take from color and change the background color of your background. If you are not okay with this, you can decide to start designing from ground zero. So we start looking at these tabs one after the other. The first tab is the design tab. The second one is the design tab. Give you the ability to import into your design already made template that you will want to use to do your design. Whatever you want to do, you can actually pick from the template and continue. But for the sake of this video, we are not importing for now. We'll do that in another video. The second tab is the element tab. The element tab is where you find a variety of elements you want to use for your design, ranging from shapes to ready-made graphics that you may going to need in your designs, stickers if you wish to use one, and we have photos, short videos, charts, table, photo frames, and photo grid. All these are different groups of or different shade of element you can use. The next tab is the text element. This is where you find text that you want. If you want to add text to your design, this is where you go to get your text. The gallery takes you to taking pictures from your phone. The next one is the branding. The branding tab. The branding tab is where you can actually prepare your brand, your icon, your graphics, your photos, your brand voice, the fonts you use for your brand, the colors and logo. But this particular functionality is available for Canva Pro, and this particular account we are using is a free Canva account. The next is uploads. Upload takes you to the upload you've had on Canva, pictures you've used in the past, logos and what have you. The next one is the drawing tab. If you want to draw on the Canva, if you want to draw something on the Canva of your studio, you can actually use this design tab to make to draw. So it depends on whatever you want to do with the design draw through. The next is the project. The project tab is maybe you are actually doing a particular design and you want to pick from your past projects that you've done. You can actually come to the project tab. The apps tab is actually where you get the apps installed or added to your Canva account. This could be markup, this could be any other thing that you can want to use. As you can see, we have gradient generator, we have depth to your image, we have chat GPT, where you can generate realistic image using OpenAI. We have trending text. If you want to use certain text, all these are applications that are attached to it. So you can get more from Canva, and you can actually use some other functionalities such as barcode and others. So you can actually install any of these apps. Some of them are premium, you may have to pay to use them, and while some are free. All these are varieties of apps. So if you want to supercharge your design journey, the Canva is actually a home for so many things, and just within your mobile app. So we'll look at this top. This particular 3 dots takes you to settings of your document, where you want to create a new design, you want to import files, you want to switch the size. Switching sizes are only available for premium. You can view all the pages in your document, the save changes. You can actually save to a folder, you can make a copy, you can look at the version history and also others. Then the next thing is this premium tab. This is where you see your subscription, whether it, and then if you want to take, so you can actually make a free trial for 14 days. So you can decide to go for trial anytime. Then this is the download button. If you want to download your design, it's going to prepare it and download your design. So I'm not downloading this, I'm canceling it. The next is the share tab. It's also the same thing as the download tab or the export tab. You want to, for this, you want to share over a variety of options, whether you want to share to Instagram or you want to share the link with the people around to visit your design. So in short, this is what Canva layers are. So let's, for instance, do one thing at a time for all of them. We will say let's import this design. So once you just click, you can see we've imported the design from the design tab, and we can also look at element. Let's assume we want to add some element. We want to add some element to our design. We'll click on the tab. We'll click on the tab of element, and let's assume I want to add a website. I want to add a cycle, a spherical cycle to the design. Once you click on it, it's boom, it's there. So you can decide to move around, keep it wherever you want to do. Let's assume this is what our logo is supposed to look like. So you can adjust, move it around, and play around with it. This is the end of this video. See you in the next video on our path to becoming a digitally inclined graphic designer with mobile Canva app. Don't forget to hit the thumb button to like this video, and don't forget to share with others, and you can also leave your comment in the comment box below in order to share your opinions to improve future videos. Thank you, and thank you for being with us.